Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this is part of our smart home collection. This is the Echo Dot 4th generation and it's brand new. It just came out about, I think 2 months ago. It's really cool. So it's this circular smart home device made by Amazon that can control all of your smart home. If you have a smart home, it can play music for you, it can answer math questions, it can call people, it can basically do anything any other smart speaker can do. I have my Amazon app right here to open it. So if we pull this up, like that, pull out the actual Echo Dot itself, it looks like this. So it's got like this paper on it, like that. Oh, there's a tab, okay. So that's what the actual thing looks like. It's pretty nice. It's a little ball. It's a little ball like this. Looks cool on your desk. It's got 4 little buttons that you can press. And 2 holes in the back, audio out, and PC in. So this just kind of, it comes up here. And then there's this little tab you can pull open. There we go. So now here's the actual Echo Dot, and I got the cable plugged in on the ground. So I'm going to plug this in right here, and it's going to turn on. Okay, so something happened. It said to download the Alexa app and get started set up. So here's what the iPad says: Echo Dot can be set up. So let's continue and get started with opening it. And as you guys can see here, it is all lit up, changing colors, and it's in cool circular ball fashion.
Your Echo is ready.
Okay, it's all, I guess it's done. So I click continue, and it's going to be going in my mom's house. When I bought it, I made sure I selected the new setup, like automatic setup to your account. So it was already assigned to my account and set up. So basically all you have to really do is plug it in and connect to Wi-Fi, and it's ready to be set up. So it says setup complete. So that's really it. So now, let's ask it some questions. Computer! What time is it?
The time is 4:35 p.m. Hope you've enjoyed your Thursday.
Cool. Let's ask another question. Computer! What's the weather like today?
Currently, in Allen it's 38 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 38 degrees.
Pretty cold and raining. Not that great. So let's hear some music. Let's see how it sounds. So this is more of like a One Direction sound. So there's actually one speaker pointing right at me with the bass. So it's actually like a ball, so it kind of goes everywhere, but instead of it being like the old Echo Dot, like a cylinder or circle, it goes all around. So let's hear how it sounds. Okay, so I'm going to do a decibel sound test on it. This is at max volume. So we're getting about 60 decibels average. It sounds pretty good. It's pretty loud. Not as loud as me talking, but it sounds really nice. Okay guys, so that is the new Echo Dot 4th generation. For the price, it's a really great speaker if you can get it on sale. 29 bucks is amazing. Now, I will say this. Do I recommend it more than the 3rd generation? Well, I'm gonna say no. I love the 3rd generation because I like having the light at the top. I think that the 360 sound is better. Now, this is, I think, a little bit louder, and if that's something that you want, but it is a great product, and if you're willing to spend the extra $8 to get it, it's really cool, newer generation, but I don't know if it's that much better to get the 3rd generation or to upgrade it. Now, if you have the 3rd generation, I say stick with it. Probably a 5th generation will be coming out next year, but this is a great device. I really recommend it. If you don't have an Echo Dot, definitely check this one out first. It's a really nice device for the price. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Smart Home Tech. It's some sweet tech with gadget candy, and I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!